Hi scholars, today we're doing Module 6, Lesson 5. Our objective is I can identify 10 more, 10 less, 1 more, and 1 less than a 2-digit number within 100. So we're working with those bigger numbers. You're going to see the arrow way like we've done before, our place value charts. It's going to be a lot of review, but just working with those bigger numbers today. We're going to start by drawing 62 using a quick 10 drawing. So if you don't have a piece of paper, you need to get a piece of paper out so you can draw 62 using a quick 10 drawing. I'm showing the number 62 with my quick 10s. As you can see, I have I'm showing 5 10s and then 1 10 a little further away. Just like we did drawing 5 groups when we were working with ones, like 5 circles, I'm doing the same kind of idea with my 10 so I can see that's a group of 5. 1 more 10, that would be 6 10s. I can quickly see that. And then I have my 2 circles. So looking at my picture, how many 10s and how many 1s are in 62? Good, you can see there's 6 10s. And there's 2 1s. So I wrote that in my place value chart. Now I want you to show me 1 more than 62. So using your quick 10 drawing, show me 1 more. What does 1 more look like? Good, your drawing should look like this. I added 1 more. What is 1 more than 62? I want you to say the whole sentence. 1 more than 62 is 63. So you say 1 more than 62 is 63. I drew the arrow way to show that. From 62 to 63, we added 1 more. So looking at this place value chart, what changed and what didn't change? So we have 2 place value charts. We started with 62. What changed in my second place value chart and what didn't change? Well, the 10s didn't change. They both stayed as 6 10s because we only added 1 more. It didn't change our 10s. The 1s did change though from 2 to 3 because we added 1 more. 3 is 1 more than 2. To figure out 1 more, you just had to add 1 more to the 1's place. Now I want you to go back and show me 62 again. So now I'm showing 62. I have 62 in my first place value chart, just like how we started. But this time, I want to show 10 more than 62. I want you to draw 10 more. How are you going to draw 10 more? You're just going to draw 1 more 10 stick or 1 more quick 10. So what is 10 more than 62? I want to say the whole sentence. 10 more than 62 is 72. So say it again. 10 more than 62 is 72. Now this time, what changed and what stayed the same with our place value charts? The 10s changed this time from 6 10s to 7 10s because we added 10 more. The 1s didn't change because we just added 1 10. We could add 10 extra circles, but once you get 10, we make them into a quick 10, so there's no point in making 10 circles. We can add a 10 quickly. You just have to add 1 10 to the 10s. So again, we added 10 more to 62, and now we have 72. We're going to do this again with a different number. So now we're going to start with the number 87. So show me 87 with a quick 10 drawing. So here I'm showing 87. I see I have 5 10s quick tens, and then I have 3 quick tens. 5 and 3 makes 8, so I now have 8 tens, and then I can see my 7 ones with my dots. Now for this one, we're going to think about one less than 87. How can I show one less? Would I add another dot? Or would I take away a dot or a 1? Good. I would take away one of my 1s. So I put an X on one of my 1s. Now I'm looking at my quick 10 drawing. I still have my 8 tens, but do I still have 7 1s? No, I want you to count the 1s. Count with me. I'm at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 8 tens and now I have 6 1s. What number is that? 86. And again, I'm showing my arrow way. I start with 87. That's the number we started with. I'm showing my arrow to my new place value chart. I take away 1 this time to show if I take 1 away from 87, I have 86 left, and my picture matches. Now I want you to go back to our 87. Here I'm back at my 87. I have 8 tens, 7 1s. I have my place value chart, my quick 10 drawing. I'm covered. Now I want to show 10 less than 87. 10 less. How do I show 10 less? What do I take away from? I take away one of my quick tens. So now I'm going to see I have 5 quick tens still on that side. Now I have 2 on the other side because I took away 1. So 5, 6, 7. I have 7 tens now. Did my 1s stay the same or did my 1s change? My 1s stayed the same because I took away 10. We're finding 10 less. So all I did was touch my 10 stick or my quick 10. So I'm showing the arrow way. I took away 10 or 10 less. So I have my subtraction sign. And now I have 7 tens and 7 1s. So like we said, my 1s place didn't change, just my 10s place because I took away 10. Now I want you to draw the number 77 with quick 10 drawings and make your place value chart. This is what I should see on your paper. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 1s. So I have 7 tens, 7 1s, just like my place value chart. I'm showing the number 77. This time we're going to take 1 less. Does 1 less mean I'm going to add a 1, or am I going to take away 1? 1 less. It means I'm going to take away 1. So I show that in my quick 10 drawing, but what do I need to do next? I need to show using the arrow way. So I took 1 away, 1 less, so my subtraction sign 1 over my arrow to my new place value chart. So this time, what stayed the same in my place value chart? And what changed? Well, we can see my 7 tens stayed the same, but my 1s place changed because I'm taking away a 1. And if you look at your picture, I only have an X over a 1, not over a quick 10. So that's why my 1s changed, not my 10s. Now we're going to go back to the number 77. So I'm going to make sure my picture is right. I see I have 7 tens, I have 7 1s, which matches my place value chart. So I know I have the number 77. This time, I want to know 10 less than 77. 10 less. What are we going to take away? we're going to take away a quick 10 to show 10 less. So now I see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. And are my ones going to stay the same or are they going to change? They should stay the same because I only took away 10, but let's double check. In my ones, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my new place value chart, I have 10 less, or I took away 10. I have my arrow to show my new number, which is 6, 10, 7 ones. So we have 67 now. So 10 less than 77 is 67. And like we said, my ones stayed the same. My 10s changed because I took a 10 away. Now we're going to have the big number we're going to use today. I want you to show me 90 with a quick 10 drawing and your place value chart. $90 looks like this. This looks a lot different than any of the numbers we used earlier. I don't have any ones this time. I only have tens. I have my 5 quick tens, and then I put a space, and then I have the 4. 5 and 4 make 9, so I have 9 tens, which is the number 90. This time, I want to know what is 1 more than 90. What is 1 more than 90? How can I show that in a quick 10 drawing? What do I need to do to show 1 more than 90? I just add 1. Do my 10s stay the same or do they change? I think those are going to stay the same, but do my 1s change or do they stay the same? Let's find out. We wanted to find 1 more, so plus 1. My 9 10s stayed the same, but now I have 1 1s. And you can see my picture. I have 9 10s, 1 1. That makes the number 91. So 1 more than 90 is 91. 1 more than 90 is, good, 91. Now we're going to go back to the number 90 with our quick 10 drawing and our place value chart. This time we're going to get a little tricky. I want to know, what is 1 less than 90? How are we going to show that with our picture? Because I'm looking at our picture and we only have quick 10s. So how do I take 1 away? What you need to do is take one of your quick 10s and make it into 10 ones. You need to make it into 10 ones. Now I'll be able to take 1 away. But I want us to count our picture so you see that it's still 90. We're going to start with our 10s first. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Now we're going to count on with 1s. I'm at the first dot at the top. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. I still have the number 90. I'm just showing it a different way. This way we can take 1 away. So now on your drawing, show me taking 1 away. So now you can see I put an X on one of my 1s. But now what's our new number? Well, I know that we were showing 90 by showing 8 10s and 10 1s. So I know we still have 8 10s, which is 80, and we can count on 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Let's see if that's our answer. Good. 1 less than 90 is 89. 1 less than 90 is 89. So remember how to do this, because on your work you may have to do this. It's a tricky problem. Make one of your 10s into 10 ones. And you guys should know how to do this. Now I'm going to quickly go over what your work looks like today. On page 13 of your packet, or looking at number 1, your directions are solve. You may draw or cross off to show your work. So that means you might have to draw a new quick 10 or a 1, or cross off using an X to show your work. A says 1 more than 68 is blank. You'll fill it in and show your work by drawing the picture you need. B says 10 more than 68 is blank. C says 10 less than 71 is blank. And D says 1 less than 70 is blank. Number 2, this is important because this is the problem that you need to send to me. I had a lot of scholars send me their work yesterday, but I'm hoping for more scholars to send me work today. Then I can give shout outs at the end of the week. Number 2 says find the mystery numbers. Use the arrow way to explain how you know. So we were doing the arrow way during this whole lesson. So letter A showing you the arrow way. You need to make sure you put your arrow for letter B, C, and D because they didn't give you an arrow. You need to have that. You fill in the blanks. So A says 10 more than 59 is blank. They have 59 in the first place value chart. They're showing plus 110, or you can just draw plus 10 in your arrow, and then you need to fill in the answer. B says 1 less than 59 is blank. C says 1 more than 59 is blank. And D says 10 less than 59 is blank. So this is page 13, and I'm going to show you page 14. So this is the second page of your work for tonight, page 14. Number 3 says, write the number that is 1 more. So for each of those, you're writing the number that is 1 more. Number 4 says write the number that is 10 more. 5 says write the number that is 1 less. And 6 says write the number that is 10 less. At the bottom, number 7 says fill in the missing numbers in each sequence. You guys are so awesome at this. I've seen it on a lot of our previous assessments in school. So I know you guys will be fine. You just look and make sure you know if it's going counting forward or counting backward or counting by tens or counting by a different number. Just be careful. But you guys are great at this. I hope I get more pictures tonight or today of your work. Keep it up. I know it's hard. I miss all of you so much. I wish this was in person and not over a computer, but I'm so proud of you guys, and just keep it up and stay positive. I will be posting a video hopefully on Friday with some shout outs for the scholars who really worked hard this week. So keep it up. Make sure you get that shout out.